Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to change preferences on Bumble. It's really easy and simple. What you want to do guys is first come and click on people here, okay? Let's say you open up your Bumble, this is where you lead up to, you come here and click on people, and then what you want to do is come here at the top right, click on this icon. So this is how we change our filters or preferences. Okay, let's say now you have changed and you maybe want to also date other men. You can toggle this one on if you're open to dating everyone, or you can toggle this back off. Let's say you only want to date women for now. You can change that, how old you want your dates to be. Okay, so we can go ahead and do that. And you can add your preferences or change them, right? Select languages, what you would like them to know. Then you can come here to advanced filters. Maybe you want someone who's taller than 180 centimeters. You can go ahead and do that. So what are they looking for, right? Are they looking for a long-term relationship? What exactly you would like? What are their family plans? You can do this filter as well. Okay. And if you want someone from a specific religion, you can go ahead and add them, right? Their political views. Do they exercise? Do they smoke? Do they drink? And what is their star sign? You can go ahead and add this as well. And then just click on apply and your preferences are reset and changed. Okay? It's really that easy and simple.